Ooh. Ooh. Look at the beast. Ooh. Ooh. Look at him.
This is the 0400 Ford Euro luxury automatic.
Give us a quick tour. Ethan.
Leather
specs.
seats, electronic. It's got heated seats. Very nice. It's goes 0 to 100 in something seconds, pretty quick. Yeah, it's a good car. Good car. We'll lock
Yeah,
her
good
up.
car.
Yeah, just like that.
Alright, let me get my stuff. What was that, Ethan?
What? That was late.
It's
Control
definitely
yourself,
not
mate.
video. What?
Hey, mates. Ethan. I am and I own a Honda Accord Euro, and it goes really, really fast.
Really? What's 0 to 100?
I don't know, like 2 seconds.
It's actually a special R edition.
It's luxury edition. It's luxury edition.
Stage 3?
Nah, stage 1, but it's luxury.
What does the R stand for?
Racing.
Racing, really?
Yes, racing.
So you're just picking up your new car today?
I've already got it. It's over there.
Has it been spotted yet?
Yes, it has.
Yeah, the boys.
From
Mate, it's a manual.
it's manual. Are you guys recording it? It's always Kate that puts his hand over it. You remember that video when Kate kept putting his hand over getting really angry? He's like, still recording me. Fuck.
What about the Mateo video?
Don't put that. I'm recording it.
Actually have such an ugly head.
Oh no shit when there's a cap on it. Well, I'm going to put
Oh, where's Luca? Oh.
Good on you.
What have we got here?
Good on you.
Oh. Oh. Oh, Hurricane. Didn't see that. How poor must they be? Yeah, no, I saw. What a poor bugger. Dimitri, what are your thoughts? I don't know if that's right, it probably is. No. How are we, Doug Oran? Oh yeah, the Q&A. Are you missing Marcus? Are you jealous of Robert?
Fuck your main videos. It's shit. It's shit.